table days, you know?
Christopher, can you please repeat that?
In school, this is what happened to you?
Say what?
What's Anthony thankful
Hurry up, I don't have that much.
Diarrhea!
Anthony's thankful for what?
Diarrhea!
And what are you thankful for?
This is nice talk at the table.
Glass and poop and midgets.
Stop it.
And what are midgets?
I don't know midgets.
Floor midgets.
And midgets are secret agents.
They like to eat
They like to eat what?
floors.
And why are you thankful for them?
Go ahead, your turn.
They're cool.
Because they're super agents.
Super agents?
What's a super agent?
Super agent.
Midgets. This is going to be on my
Super
Facebook in a matter of
mega
minutes, by the way.
Majos.
Is this Dateline? I feel like we're doing like a special.
You know, I'm thankful for poop.
Yeah, really.
Yo, I'm not going to lie. I would come down if you guys
What's the
were doing that
midget's
again.
name?
I would definitely go
I don't
midget
know.
bowling.
We'll be surprised
I
if
would
it's coming.
definitely go midget bowling.
Alright, we're gonna zero in on Nicole's wine
You
list.
ever seen that?
Maybe you want to drink that before the wedding. So you have Angelina Jolie list.
Facebook.
Oh
Going on Facebook.
Alright, what do you guys have to say
That's
down
like
here?
What, Chris?
It's going on YouTube.
We're not putting us on.
Fartastic midget.
Fartastic midget. What's a fartastic midget?
That's their name.
Where did you get this from?
You better friend me. You better.
Shit.
Yeah! Fartastic
All right, you
midget.
talk nice at the table.
For him,